Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be making myself up, and I'm not a pro makeup artist, so this is not a tutorial. It's just me making myself up with the mistakes and everything, because I learned how to make up in 2018, but I have not been practicing over the years because I just felt I don't really need makeup. And at some point I see I do need it, and I just want to go back to it. So I'm doing this video to just record myself with my mistakes and everything, just trying it out. And feel free to give me your corrections if you have any in the comment section. And yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in again. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it interesting at the end of everything. So without wasting time, let's get started with this video. So now, after cleaning my hands and my face, the next thing I'll be doing is to apply my Carmex Classic Lip Balm. As you can see, it's medicated, so I don't know if you can see. Okay, it's medicated and it's very good for healing your lips. So guys, the next thing I'll be doing after applying my lip balm is to apply this primer. It's called Hangover 3-in-1. It's a primer and a setting spray. It's a primer, a setting spray, and for refreshing, most especially if you're going to be wearing your makeup for a very long time. So now I'll be priming. Close your eyes, guys. Whew. Like I said, it's not a tutorial, so it's just me trying my luck to see. But I love how this primer is. I love how it just gives me the moisturized effect. The next thing I'll be applying is my foundation. After applying the primer and letting it sit for a while, I will be applying my foundation. And the name of my foundation is Maybelline Super Stay. Yeah, this is it. So I hope you guys can see, because I usually have problems with my camera focusing on my face. So see, when I was buying this foundation, I actually went for a really darker color. Here's my concealer, and so I'll be applying like on this part of my face, because although there's nothing to conceal, but I feel like only one finger to like apply this concealer. So I don't have a bronzer, so here's why I use this classic red lipstick. So I'm just going to apply it to the places where I feel I need to be dark, just a little amount, so I don't look all reddish like. So there, I'm going to blend with my hand as I always do. This time I'll be using my little finger for this place, because yeah. So I have this Sacha Buttercup setting powder, which I don't like. The first time I used it, oh my god, with my bad makeup skills, I was looking like a clown. This is the tone of this powder. So I had to go to the drugstore to search for something else, and I saw this one. I was like, okay, this will could work. Yeah. Let me bring out the powder from the container by shaking it upside down. Hope you're seeing clearly. And right? I think I got it right. Now I'm overdoing it. God, I hate myself. Oh my god. Now let's go over to the next one before I destroy the first one. Whew. Oh my god. I need to stay still because I feel like everything is flying around. Oh guys, please don't make a meme out of this. Please. It's time to move on to the next, and I think the next is to work on the eyebrows. I have this brush I use. This tiny brush right here. That's kind of black, not brown. Should have gotten. So I'm sorry blocking you guys. What I'm doing right now is covering up this thing. Next is to, guys, I'm so proud of myself. The eyebrow looks so real, so natural. Though they're not symmetrical, but I did a good job actually. Or do I have to redo anything? No, right? Right. Next thing is to work on the, eyeshadow. So I have this Meets Mattes with an E. Meets Mattes with an E, which I'm going to use. Is it? I love the picture on it. Now these are the colors. I'm limited, so I'll be going with this one right here. Now, the next thing is to do what? Oh my god, the hardest part of this work is to the eyelashes and everything. So I have this mascara. Which I use for my eyelashes. It's a transparent mascara. So now eyeliner, which is one of the toughest jobs when it comes to making up. Your hands have to be very steady. It's time. Is it time? Well, I think I should blend first, because if I don't blend first, I have this feeling that I could mess it up. So it's time to blend. Yeah. I would actually advise those who know how to make up to join me too, because it's getting tough. Well, we don't have time, so let's go with this for now. We're not going out with this, right? Right? But I think I did a good job, actually. Next, eyelashes. Oh my god. Like they say, you're not supposed to see the lines, are you? But if you can see the lines, what can we do? We just manage. I'm learning how to put on eyelashes, and I have this beautiful eyelash I got from Gabs, a really popular supermarket right where I stay. This is so natural, so soft, so everything. But I don't want to use this. I'm going to be using this 8D lashes because I'm still learning, guys. I cannot risk my beautiful eyelash for this. The moment of truth. Permit me, but I have to go outside to do this. I've actually gone off camera to apply the eyelashes, and yeah, eyelashes are not my thing, and I think if I have to, I will definitely use that extensions instead. So I'm putting my mascara underneath just to blend out my real lashes. And you guys can see, like, the both lashes are so odd, facing different directions. So I'm going to do my under lashes, my lower lashes, that's what they call it. The truth is, if you know how to make up, that is a really good skill, because I am dying right here, right now. Next thing, my lips, okay? Yeah, lips. With this dark looking lips, not red. Red doesn't really suit me every time, so I'm going to go with this trending lips. This dark. If I practice a lot, and I have to start talking a lot, so. What's next actually? Highlighter, bronzer, all these things. I don't actually know where you apply your highlighter. Pardon. On my forehead to set it off. But before that, I'm going to apply my lip gloss, because we're going for this, not this matte look, a glossy look. This makeup is so nice to me. You know when I started losing it? When I was like fixing the eyelash. I was like, this is over. I am done. I need to stop. But sometimes I guess giving up is always wrong, because there. You see that? Now you see that? I'm not a queen. Good. I'm so proud of myself. The only thing I'm not proud of is the eyelashes, which clearly means next time we're going with a more natural lash and setting before I forget. I'm so excited. 1, 2, 3, go. Close your eyes. So my battery is low and I have to cut this video short. But before that, I have to put on a wig and slay this look, take pictures, you know. But I'm so excited. That's it. Okay, I'll be right back with my wig. Now, this is the result of the makeup, because I know it's not the best makeup and it's not a tutorial. It's just me trying to make myself up to see the result, and I love the result. It shows that if I should practice more often, I will get really good results from all of them. I love the way it's not off color, it's just my skin tone. It's really good. I like it. I like it a lot. Wow. So guys, don't forget to like this video. Please, I'm begging you guys, give this video a thumbs up, because I did a lot of work trying to put this video together. Now, I am going to see you guys in my next video.